guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new, which you probably are. I'm Aisha, and today I have yet another wig video for you all. Last Wig Wednesday I reviewed this hair from Outre, and she's still doing pretty good. Like, this is still probably one of my top 3 favorite wigs that I've gotten this year. And today we have another wig that's very similar to this one. If you guys saw that last video, you remember that I said I really liked this wig and I would love it if it was one solid color. Like, I wanted to get the same style wig in one color. And today I actually might have the opportunity to. So today we will be going over Outre's perfect hairline wig. This is a part of the lace front collection, and she is in the style Jenisse. She is 12 inches and is in the color 1B, but as usual she comes in all these other colors such as 1, 2, chocolate cream, cinnamon wine, ginger brown. Like, you can get her in any color. Ginger brown actually would have been really cute too. But so I just took her out the package. Let's fully unwrap and unbox her. Wait, this is dense. This wig is this wig, I actually like the fullness, or I don't want to call it thin, but I like how thin the hair is because it looks very realistic, like it gives some press. This is thick. Okay, I'm gonna slide this wig off and then put this one on and get right back to you guys when I have her on my head. Cut the cameras. Are you serious? Yo, this wig is literally so cute. These baby hair, I'm usually not a fan of baby hairs, but these are actually really cute. The hairline honestly is pretty good on its own. Like, you could probably pluck it a little bit more, but the hairline on its own is pretty good. Only thing I'm nervous about, this wig is synthetic and it's kind of thick. It's on the very thick side. It's kind of dense. In the picture, I think that's the only thing I have to say about Outre hair. It never looks like the picture, but it's it always looks better than the picture. I don't know how y'all make the wig look, I don't want to say horrible. The wig doesn't look horrible on the models, but it's y'all make the wig look like one thing and it's a completely different look at her. Look at this wig and look at this wig. It looks similar, but this is so thick. And that's not a problem. I like the density of it. It's just wow, honestly. And then I haven't seen myself in black hair. This is black. I got 1B. This is black. This is not, this is black. 1B is black. The hair that I had on before from Outre, this is brown. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but I haven't seen myself in black hair in forever. I'm giving Edna mode without the without the bang. It's Edna mode without the bang. But I'm not complaining. The wig eats. This is giving date night. I want to glue this wig down, and y'all know I don't glue my wigs down, but I want to keep her on my forehead. And it looks crazy right now because it's all slicked back, but yo, I'm about to walk around and act like this is my real hair. Y'all cannot tell me. This 12-inch bob, the 12-inch bob gives, honey. It gives. We're losing sun rapidly. The clouds are forming. It looks like it's about to storm. I gotta work fast and shut up. This is also a free part wig, so where's my little comb? I don't know where my comb is, so I'm gonna use this little edge brush. But you could part this wig down the middle. I'm gonna stop running my mouth and cut the lace. But when I tell y'all this hair, y'all, I don't know where my little hair clips are, but I'm about to just start cutting into it and hoping for the best. I don't know where my scissors are. This is a mess. Give me a second, y'all. Let me start cutting. Okay, guys, so I'm back. I was gonna say pardon the delay, but technically, once I edit this, I would have only been gone for 2 seconds. But it took me 15 minutes to get everything together. This hairstyle honestly looks crazy, but I just wanted to show you guys that you can actually put this up. Look at that. Let's be for real. Stop playing with Outre and stop playing with synthetic wigs, period, because y'all see her eat. Oh yeah, this ponytail is too tight. but y'all see her. Okay, maybe not that, but yeah, for the sake of the video, I'm gonna just put her back down because I was looking crazy for a second, but she's very cute. Okay, a little wig update. I put a middle part in it and it looks much less crazy than it did. This is like day 2 of wearing it. Or this is my first day wearing it out. Oh, it's cute. But yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. I know she looks really crazy on right now. I'm literally just like tossing her everywhere, but as usual, the information for this wig will be in the description. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I'll be having like a couple more wig videos coming out soon, which I'm so excited for. So yeah, bye.